Hey everybody, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. We're going to be making, what are we going to be making? I forgot. Look at my hair. My hair is just like all over the place. I got it cut the other day and it's just like, whew. Okay, let's go back. We are going to be making roast pepper pork patties with carrot, cucumber, almond, and dill salad. We're not doing cucumbers because my roommates don't like it. I'm doing a little bit version. I'm going to have the carrots in it, but I'm going to do a little bit of a different version because I think it'll be better anyway because I don't like dill. And I'm going to put almonds in them. Almonds. Man, I sound country, don't I? Almonds. Hey, you want some almonds? Anyway, let me go find my almonds and I'll be right back. Nope, we're not doing almonds. We're not putting almonds in it. I make me a salad, a ham and a chicken, tomato, spinach wrap with cheese on it every day for my protein for lunch. Well, not every day, but most days is what I do. So I've got a tomato that I cut up earlier today. I've got my spinach. I have matchstick carrots. They're supposed to be shredded, but I couldn't find shredded, so we got these. Salt, olive oil, roasted red peppers, 2 eggs, ground pork. I got the no sugar French vinaigrette dressing. We'll see how we like that. Breadcrumbs, garlic, and pepper. Okay, so remember me telling y'all how to make it your own. Just make it your own. Don't worry about what everybody says. That's kind of what I'm doing. I think I might put a bell pepper in. No, I'm not. I'm just going to leave it. Anyway, I can't make up my mind. That's the way it's been all day. We're still in our clothes. It was cold this morning. We were down in the 40s. Yes, that's cold for us. But you know, it's Texas weather. It got up to, I don't know today. I've been cold all day. So, because this morning I went and crawled back up in bed with the babies because I was cold and they were cold. So they got up underneath the covers with me. But let me get my bowls and we'll get this going.
You keep turning heads when you walk by. If they only knew you left me blind. You don't even notice their starry eyes, 'cause you are looking straight into mine. Yeah, you could have anyone you want, but I'm the one who gets to take you home. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. I keep turning heads when I walk by. If they only knew that I am yours. I've had my fair share of love, but no one ever came as close as what you and I have right now. The ring on my finger tells me I'm the one. A love like this is one in a billion. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, you're smiling, looking at me, with tears in your eyes. In this bubble forever is where I wanna stay. In a room full of people
further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will, 'cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the.
And that, my friends, is dinner. Yes, I burnt it a little bit because I was busy with the salad and forgot. And I was talking to Renee. It was right there.
Hey guys, it's me.
It's been a day. But anyway, that's what dinner is. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Try it, and I'll let y'all know how it is. We'll talk to you later. Bye.